today we're going to learn about libraries in C. So let's say we have this file, and I want to import like another file. We could do this. Let's select an SEDIO.h. It's actually another file stored on my computer. So let me just open it up. This is the full SEDIO.h file. I mean that's pretty long and stuff. But yeah, even this includes SEDIO.h. This includes SEDIO.h file. It includes other files. These other files link to other files. And those other files don't link to other files, but yeah, you get the point. So anyways, so let's say in this file I have a certain function. Do a void because it doesn't have any return value. Void hello. And we're gonna say printf hello. So now for the import it, we're gonna have to the include function. You might think, oh, you have to use these brackets, like the same way you do in the D. But it doesn't actually work because for these angle brackets, it's only want to choose files that are in a certain place. This library is not in a certain place, so I have to use these normal things. Anyways, now we can call the function that was there, and it's going to work. So let's try functions with arguments. Oh yeah, so it's also a return value. So int add. Why not rename this file to math.h because why not? So int add int a comma int b. So let's say int r is equal to a plus b, and I'm gonna print out the results. I'm gonna return the results. Return r. I'm gonna have int subtract, multiply, divide. So on the subtract, just change what this one sign. Multiply, do the same thing, and what is it for divide? So then this other file, you can say int o is equal to int p is equal to 5, int q is equal to 8, int r is equal to add p comma q. So say print f. It's gonna be an integer. It's gonna be r. So now let's try it out. Oh yeah, I named the file to math.h. So now it says 13. Now that should work. Let's add another integer. Int s is equal to subtract pq. Now I just print s. -3. Let's say int t is equal to multiply pq. So int u is equal to divide p by q. So now I'm going to say int v is equal to r plus s plus c plus u. This is now I'm print v and shows this. Oh yeah, semicolon. Shows this result, which just so happens to be 50. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. So bye.